Today we're going to show you how to make a peanut butter dream smoothie. This is also the 25th video of our 30-day summer series. We're almost there. Help us power through. We're going to add 2 cups of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, into our blender. Then let's add in a 1/4 cup of honey. Now let's add in a 1/2 cup of smooth peanut butter. Now to cool down our smoothie a little, we're going to add in 1 frozen banana. Let's pour a smoothie. Let's give it a try. Now that is delicious. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to help us hit our summer goal of 500 subscribers. We're almost there. Well, not really. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to help us hit our summer goal of 500 subscribers. We're almost at 400, so if you could get to 500 by the end of the summer, we'd really appreciate that. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. We appreciate you watching. Catch us tomorrow for the 26th video of our 30-day summer series. Thanks and bye-bye.